Hi, in this video I will show you how to run promotional broadcast campaign once your template is already approved. So log into our platform. In the sidebar go to WhatsApp campaigns, which is here. Now go to broadcast tab. Here click on create new broadcast. Enter any broadcast name such as festival offer and continue. Here we need to select a template. So I will search for a template which I have just got approved, festival offer. So I will select this template, save and go to next. Since in this template you need a media, so upload a media. Once an image is uploaded for this template, these are the placeholder 1 2 3. So enter the placeholder values. For example, here are 1 2 3 placeholders. So either we can put a static value which will be used for all the contacts which you are going to upload, or you can also select a checkbox which says from Excel sheet. So if you check it from Excel sheet, then in Excel sheet you have to put a column, this double curly bracket 1, and for each contact it will take the placeholders value from the Excel sheet. So in this example I'm going to enter the static values. So final template will be something like for 24 hours only get flat and 10% off on the all supplements on the occasion of Valentine's Day. As you have seen, when I applied for the template, I have entered the domain part only of the URL. So here we can put the remaining part of the URL, and I'm also going to put tracking parameters such that UTM source and UTM medium, so that this sales can be tracked on the Google Analytics. Finally, if you want, you can download Excel file content, which will give you the format of Excel sheet so that you can fill and you can know what columns are required in the Excel sheet. I've uploaded the contacts, so it shows that 2 contacts have been uploaded successfully. If there are any errors, it will show here, and you can download a file with the error and you can fix those. So I'm going to save and next. There are settings, so right now no settings are here. Save and next. uh, Before launching a campaign, if you want to send a test message to yourself, you can enter your own number, send a test message, and just to see how it looks like. And if it looks like well, you can select a date and time when you want to run. Let's say this is Valentine's campaign. I'm going to run on 14th Feb in the morning, so I'll just select the 8 around 8 a.m. and I can click on schedule. So this broadcast bulk messages will be sent at the selected time to everyone who you have uploaded in the Excel sheet. Thank you.